Let's see how these old pizza boxes start their new journey. Crushing everything into tiny pieces.
Mix well with water to form a paper pulp. Bleaching and cleaning to perfection. Super fast pressing and drying.
The process never stops. Tons more pizza boxes.
Sorting and sending straight to the machine's mouth. A giant system working non-stop.
Every single box is completely destroyed.
Shredding. Even smaller. Moving this mess to the cleaning station. Preparing for a spectacular transformation.
Mixing with water, the paper structure begins to disintegrate.
Continuous mixing to completely separate impurities. Look at this mud. It will soon become white paper, filtering out every last impurity. Diluting and preparing for the bleaching phase. Extreme vortex. Mixed completely. Getting purer and purer. Discharging and continuing to purify. Passing through the final filter layers before transforming. Washing away old ink completely. Magic happens here. Instant color change. Absolute purity. Ready to become paper. Spreading flat to form a tough paper structure. Whipping it up to make the paper as soft as possible. A massive scale. Tens of thousands of liters of pulp in motion. Forming into a giant thin sheet of paper. Squeezing the water out. The paper starts taking shape. Smooth and continuous. Amazing. Preparing to bake at extremely high temperatures. Scorching hot. Evaporating all the water. Dried in the blink of an eye. A real factory running endlessly. Extreme speed, you can't even catch it. Adding some patterns for softness and luxury. Perfect in every detail. Preparing the cores to roll them up.
rolling it into a giant log.
Tight and dense, ready for the chopping block. Cutting down into familiar rolls. Tens of thousands of white warriors ready to serve.
Grouping into packs for packaging.
Putting on a new coat with a protective film. Sealing tight, secure, and safe.
Perfect products rolling out continuously. The robot takes over the heavy lifting.
Stacking high like a tower.
And here, massive inventory ready for the supermarket. The process repeats in a perfect cycle. Running non-stop.
Sealing both ends, blocking out dirt.
Shrinking completely with a flash of heat. Diverting, quickly moving to palletizing.
Absolute precision to the millimeter. Full pallets ready for transport.
A battlefield of reborn cleanliness.
Loading onto trucks and reaching the users.
From trash to wonderful product.
The amazing journey of rebirth ends. Thanks for watching.